Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. That would make me very happy. Today's video is me unboxing. I'm really excited. Today is filming it on April 14th, 2018. And this is currently still in stock. I have no idea if it'll still be in stock when I'm able to edit and post this. But there's a company called Suva Beauty, and they do really great eyeshadow. Other things too, but I've only really ever tried their eyeshadows. Put a link in the description box down below to their website for just information about them, and to this box if it's still available. I got an email about it. I'm on their newsletter list, and there are two boxes. One is $25 for a guaranteed value of $50, and the other is $50 for a guaranteed value of $120 or more. And I got the $50 for $120 or more value. There was an option, which was really nice, for each of these. And again, I've only really ever tried their eyeshadow, so I'm not sure what's going to be in here. You had an option to choose a shade, light, medium, or deep, which is awesome. Awesome for me because I'm light, and awesome for my friends who have much lighter or much deeper skin tones. So there probably will be some complexion products in here, I'm not sure. So it came just in a box, and here's the box open. So this is the first thing. It's a package. I'll open it a little bit loud. I'll do that off screen. 3 brushes. I've never used their brushes. Doesn't say what they're used for, but it tells you what the numbers are. So this is 460. It's a domed brush. It's a little stiff, but I bet that that would kind of work itself out. I'm assuming these are synthetic bristles. This is kind of like a smudgy kind of a brush. And this is firm, and I want this to be firm. This is nice. I think I like that one better. And this one is an even smaller kind of smudgy brush, and that's really stiff. I like this a lot. So those are 3 brushes. If I can find prices on their website for what I'm actually getting, like what the value is, I'll put it up on the screen. Then it looks like I got 3 cake eyeliners. This is in Gold Digger. So this is matches my sweater. Wow, okay. I've never used a cake liner before. I guess you would use this with a mixing medium. I'll have to look on their website to see how this works. But Hydra liner, so I'd assume there'd be some kind of mixing medium involved. And there's nothing coming off when I do this. So I will definitely look it up and see if it's something that I need to use with a mixing medium, or how I'm supposed to use it. Ooh, this is another one, another cake liner. This is in Sea Nymph. It's a really pretty peacock. Wow. Now, the idea that these are kind of cake and not already kind of liquefied, they probably have a longer shelf life. Powder products tend to have a longer shelf life than like a gel would. So I'm curious about that too. And this is the last one. And this one's called Grease, and it's black. It's a black matte. Okay, I'm very curious. I'm gonna look that up and see how to apply these. Next thing that I see is liquid chrome illuminating drops. Curious about this. Oh, whoa, okay. This actually leaked a tiny bit. I thought something was, I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure, but it is on my face, but it did leak a little bit, and it's kind of, I might contact them about this. I'm not sure how sanitary it is, because it does seem like it leaked a bit in transit, but it is pretty, shimmery. Really pretty, actually. Too shimmery for me, probably. And I would not give it to a friend with it being kind of like having the situation that it had there, but I'll contact them and just see what they have to say about it. Wow, and then next I just have a whole bunch of eyeshadow pans that I can put into a palette. So the first, this is really pretty. Also kind of matches my shirt. It's called Electric Slide. It's a matte. It's larger. The Suva pans are larger. This is a ColourPop pan, and same size as Makeup Geek and everything, MAC. And this is Suva, so they're significantly larger. All right, so this is Electric Slide. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, okay there, Suva Beauty. That's very colorful. I wasn't planning on swatching this stuff, but I don't think I can avoid it because I'm so excited to kind of open this. Next one is called Beulah, I think. I feel like Beulah is often spelled B-E-U-L-A-H. That's the name of it. And oh my God, that's Beulah. Wow. Okay. Next is Cherry Cola. It's really pretty. That's really pretty. Coppery red. Okay. Next is Clover Club. Wow, that color is really intense. So Clover Club, wow. Wow, okay. Next is Empire State. Here's the color. Rosy, pinky champagne. This one's a little bit more powdery. I'm getting, and kind of dusty, I'm getting some fallout from it, but I bet if I use that with a mixing medium, it would be fine. But it is definitely a little more. You can probably even see in the pan, it's kind of coming out a little bit, but it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, and then I have 5 more. Yeah, I'm not concerned about that illuminator anymore. This is interesting. This is called Fairy Dust. I don't know who names their products or how they name them, because when I think of fairy dust, I think of things that are kind of white and sparkly, and this is fairy dust. I'm not complaining. It's beautiful. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Holy mackerel. Okay, I got 4 more. Next is Turkish Bath, and this is really pretty rosy kind of color. You even see that very much? Yeah, it's really, it's a matte, pretty. It's cool. Cool in terms of not being warm. Be a nice kind of crease. Next one is called Lock Bridge, which is most likely named after the bridge in Paris, where people put the locks, which I have never done. I've been to Paris a lot, but doing that has never really struck me as something that I wanted to do. Oh, but this is a pretty color. That's interesting. It looks kind of muted here, but in the swatch, it's a lot more melony almost. Really pretty. Got 2 more. Next is Seed, really pretty brown. So there's Seed up there. Another nice, this is kind of a complete eye look, really. I mean, maybe that's why they asked us what color kind of our skin tone was, light, medium, and deep, because maybe if I had said that I was medium or deep, I would have gotten darker colors to use for blending. This color is amazing. Yee! It's called Funny Face. I'm not sure if you can see how fabulous that is. That's Funny Face. Such a pretty color. Wow, okay, so that is me unboxing my Suva Mystery Box. It is still available. I'll put a link in the description box down below to Suva and also to information about the box if it's still available. But they do this occasionally, and it's good to be on their mailing list. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I was really excited to open this and I wanted to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.